Hello, everyone. My name is Anna, and I will be talking about how air pollution affects the speech rate and complexity of Finnish members of parliament. My study is a simplified replication of a Canadian study conducted in 2019. The results indicated that members of parliament speak less and with lower complexity on highly polluted days. I wanted to know if similar results would arise with Finnish data. So what was actually measured? PM 2.5 stands for particulate matter that is smaller than 2.5 micrometers in diameter. It can pass through most air filters and can be harmful if you breathe it in. The Flesch-Kincaid index measures speech complexity per speech by taking into account the total number of sentences, words, and syllables. It should be noted that the index was optimized for English. So in both this and the original study, the daily average PM 2.5 levels were compared to the changes in the Flesch-Kincaid index. The original study found that the speech complexity started falling significantly after PM 2.5 levels reached 15 micrograms per cubic meter, as can be seen from this figure. There are several small differences between the setup in my study and the original. Perhaps the most influential difference was how the effects of certain variables were removed from the final results. Slightly different regression models were also used. Now for the results. The black lowest curve here shows that the number of given speeches decreases as the level of pollution increases. There seems to be a steeper slope after the 15 micrograms per cubic meter threshold, but the results are not reliable after PM 2.5 levels over 20, since there are too few measurements. One extreme outlier was removed to make the curve. Similar curves appeared when average numbers of characters, words, or sentences were examined. These results indicate that the members of parliament may really speak less on highly polluted days. Differing results were observed with the Flesch-Kincaid index. The raw, unresidualized index seems to stay the same at all PM 2.5 levels. Word lengths seem to behave similarly, but sentence lengths had some decline, as can be seen from the smaller graph. The residualized index, where certain variable effects have been removed, seem to draw a nearly straight line with an insignificant downward tendency. So, to conclude this short experiment, the Finnish data seems to indicate that the pollution causes the members of parliament to speak less, but the speech complexity remains the same. However, more extensive studies are required to confirm these findings, as there were several possibly problematic aspects to this experiment. Thank you for listening to this presentation, and have a great day.